Well, I came back home now. I am making this for the second time. I didn't complete the entire activity. Uh, Somewhere around 9:25. I'm fucking drunk, and what do you call it? Yesterday I went to my cousin's funeral. Then we all cousins got drunk. Hmm. One of my cousin died. We all of them got drunk. Then I came to the West and I did a procedure of asking someone that what is the meaning of land server. Uh, that's a procedure because I have to ask because those were the suspects who always used to enter the house. So they started fighting and they started saying. Then I directly accused them of theft. So they were telling you are the thief. So that procedure is gonna happen today. And after that, there was a sextortion guy who threatened me of a sex video. So it landed up in a fight. And what do you call it? After that, I met three accidents. I three times, man. So what moped has happened? What happened to my moped? I still don't fucking get it. So after that, my father came there. My parents came there from Aqua to Chembur. They picked me and they took back me to Aqua. So from there, my father gave me a news that there was a what do you call it, gangster squad around my house in West. So I went back to Chembur again from there. I want to see that gangster squad. I wanted to. So, uh, nothing happened. And after that, sextortion, right? They want to make my nudes. So went to Bandra, saw hooker, and I went to Andheri as well. I didn't see any hooker. So, you want to make my nudes? Come. Just make sure I don't catch you. Getting this way? You want to make my nudes, huh? You want to threaten me? Okay, come. Fucking then I came here now. Too drunk. Wine shops are fucking closed now. I don't know when they're gonna turn it on because I gotta hit the showers and then I gotta what do you call it? I thought of like I'll drink and sleep and I'll call it a day then. What a fucking funeral it was, man. All my relatives were, what happened to you? What happened to your nose? What happened to your face? All the time. I was like hiding my face. This extortion thing and three accidents, three times I fall down from moped. I still don't get it. Why and how? Three times. The moment put the brakes on, it used to fall. And there was a sextortion threat. So I went back. Sextortion threat was a normal thing, but they want to show off something, so I went back to Bombay again. And you want to make my nudes? Come. So I saw, oh, hooker, come. I'm seeing a hooker. Come. I purposely went. And Bandra I went, Andheri I went, then I came back here. Come, you want to you really. Look, the more you threat, the more you put me in action. And not people from here, people from Chembur. Why these people will threaten me? So, the more they'll threat, the more I'll get in action. Come, make my nudes, come. Enjoy. And it was a good day that I didn't get poisoned yesterday because I didn't drink any tea outside. The moment I drink tea from that nearest tea stall, I started getting vomiting, pooping sensation, and all this shit. So this was the thing. Now I know uh, where I used to get poison. I'll take care of that guy too, very nicely.